So, hi everyone, welcome back to Academy again. So, in the previous video, we have seen the history of Python, the author who has invented the Python programming language, the real use cases of Python, and the companies who are currently using the Python. In this course, we are going to see how we can install the Python application on different platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Unix, Android, and other application. Along with this, also we are going to set some of the platform like VS Code ID like VS Code and PyCharm, and with help of Python this IDs we are going to start our Python programming. So let's see we can from. So for that, if you are to download the Python application, you have to go to the python.org. From where you can install the Python based on your operating system. For example, if you are using Windows, then you can click on this Windows icon, Windows link, and if you are using Linux or OS, you can install this. And now you can see that as I mentioned, there are currently the there are various there are many. This is the Python version now. So we can see that currently 3.9 is end of life. That means it is outdated now. They have currently the latest version that is be in progress like from 3.102 3.16. We can see from this diagram. So to download it, for example, I am using Windows, so I will click on this Windows machine, and here you can again check like what is that bit, like if your Windows machine is 64 bit or 32 bit, or that that processor it is ARM 64 or anything. So we can you can choose any one of them from here. So I'm selecting like Windows installer 64 bit, and then you can install it. So once you are installed, you're downloading it. After downloading, you should install you should start installing this application. So let's click, and here I'm just doing save. So my application is getting downloaded, and from there I can click here. You can see that Python has been downloaded. And if you want to install it, just do the double click on this. Yeah, here you can see the two options. Either the default path is it will be your home directory, or either you can to install in some other places. You can just use click on the customize installation and click on these two options like installing admin privilege and adding the path to .exe path to the path. So don't forget to edit. So now you have seen that that Python application. If you want to install it, in the next session we are going to set up the IDs like VS Code or PyCharm. So thank you.